This bitch will probably strip down naked and start running down Lombard Street. Picture that. What is up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for stopping by for yet another inside the dressing room video. As you can probably tell by the title, today's video is going to be an inside the dressing room at Walmart. I am here now. I am parked. I am ready to go find some good stuff. Let me just tell you that Walmart has really stepped up their game in recent years. Like, I remember Walmart was just not the place to go for cute clothing. Like, everything looked like an 80-year-old woman would be wearing it, but they are really like stepping it up and they are on trend with what is trendy nowadays. I'm not really looking for anything in particular. I'm just, like I said, kind of dying to see what they have. I was here the other day and I saw a couple things just out of the corner of my eye that I thought were kind of cute, but I didn't really, you know, inspect it any further than just take a little peek, just a little glance, just a little gander. Okay, Nicole, we get it. So I'm excited to go in and see, upon further inspection, if it's really as cute as I thought it was. This young man is really directing traffic right now in the Walmart parking lot, and he does not work here. All right, guys, let's go. So first and foremost, I want to apologize for these dirty ass mirrors. It does get better as the video goes on, so just hang in there. The first thing I tried on was this really pretty fall flannel top. It is just your basic flannel top. It can be 3/4 length sleeves, or you can unroll it to be a full length sleeve. I got this one in an XXL and it fit perfectly. Next up is another basic. This is a 3/4 length sleeve ribbed t-shirt. The colors are baby blue, navy blue, mustard, cream, and a rust orange. I thought it was really cute. It was just very simple, and for $8, you can't beat it. Next up is this adorable black moto jacket. I really liked how this was made out of like a stretchy material and how it had like a gold, almost tarnished hardware instead of silver. This jacket is adorable as can be and also came in a like camel color as well. Next up is this corduroy, like camel colored Sherpa lined jacket. This was also adorable. This is definitely thicker than the last jacket I tried on and not really as stretchy. So if I bought this, I would definitely size up. But I still think it's really cute and a pretty good deal for the price. Next up is a good old basic cardigan in this really pretty camel color. I love a good cardigan, especially for the fall and winter time. This one had a tie in the back that you could detach if you wanted to. It did have buttons going all the way up the front, and the cardigan itself was ribbed. I thought it was super cute, pretty basic. I love going to Walmart, I've found out, for just like basics. The best place to shop. I love it. So looking back at this footage, I'm kicking myself for not getting this jacket. It was only $21.96, and it's just your basic lightweight, like waterproof or water resistant jacket. It doesn't rain too often here, but when it does, I never have anything to wear, and this would be the perfect piece to just throw on over any outfit. I'm so obsessed with this, and like I said, for $20, you can't beat it. Then I tried on this really pretty flowy mustard top. I love mustard for the fall time. It's just a color that screams fall to me. On this top, I really liked how the neckline was kind of like ruffled and ruched, as you can see here, and how the arms were a little bit oversized and billowy. This material was not stretchy at all, but it made up for it in the fact that it was so flowy. Then I tried on kind of a similar top, definitely the same material, not stretchy whatsoever, but this one was in a leopard print. I thought it was super pretty. I thought there were some random strings and beads going on, and I had no idea like what those were there for down at the bottom. There was only a slit on one side, which also had me a little bit confused, but overall I really liked it, and I thought it would be really pretty with some black pants for, you guessed it, work. Leopard print also screams fall time for me for some reason. I don't know if it's the colors or what, but I just love it. This dress is just a big fat no for me, dog. Like, I don't even have any words for it. It was made out of 100% polyester. I made sure to look at the tag of what material this was. It was not stretchy whatsoever, so uncomfortable. There was like this like camel colored like liner underneath the dress that was so tight, and just, oh, this dress was number one, hideous on me, and number two, so uncomfortable. It's a no for me. I could not get it off fast enough. And then with these green pants, enough said. It's a no. Okay, you guys, so I just got out of Walmart, and the second I stepped foot in there, I instantly remembered why I don't like going to Walmart. There's just too many people for my liking. Like, I love the stuff Walmart sells and their prices, but just the amount of people, and like people are bumping into you, no one says excuse me. I have to really just remember my breathing techniques when I'm in that store. But I will say I did try some cute things on. The dressing room experience was a whole nother story. The limit in the dressing room is 6 items, but I had 10, so I had to try them on in 2 different like sessions or 2 different groups, and it takes me a while to film these inside the dressing room videos. I have to get pictures of everything, I have to film everything, make sure I take a picture of the tag, so on and so forth. So I brought my first 6 in, and when I came out, there was the longest line in the world, so I felt bad getting my other 4 items, so I waited back in line. Well, come to find out, all those people had been waiting for me the entire time because there was only 1 dressing room in order. Are you kidding me? I was embarrassed, but it's all for the video, all for the tube. So I wasn't too embarrassed. I just got right back in line and then tried the last 4 items on, which I didn't really like the last 4 items too much, except for 1 or 2 of the items. Anyway, enough of the stories. I went into this knowing I wasn't buying a thing, and then what happened? I bought a thing. I bought many things. So the black jacket I tried on, which is this one here. So cute. It looks exactly like a jacket I already have from Old Navy, except for the fact that the hardware at the one from Old Navy is silver, and I always put it on and then take the Old Navy one off. I never end up wearing the Old Navy one because I always wear gold jewelry and it just clashes and it just doesn't look right. So when I found this, and like I said, it's almost dead on, I was like, yes. And my mom always asks to borrow that jacket. So I called her and I told her that it was $25. Do you want it? And she was like, yes, please. She rang this up, $11. $11. Walmart does that to me all the time. I go in expecting to spend a certain amount, and then once I'm at the register and they're ringing me up, it's like half the price. This man right here is staring at me. God damn it. So I originally wasn't going to buy myself anything, but I decided since it's only $11, I'm gonna go ahead and get me a jacket too. So I got my mom and I both this black jacket. Like I said, both $11. And then I really didn't think, this was the one thing I didn't think I was gonna like, but this yellow top that was so flowy, I don't know, there was just something about it that I loved. Once again, the price on this, it said $15.44, but once it was rung up, it was $11 also. So I paid for this, I paid for the one jacket, and then I went back and I got the second black jacket for myself, and I also got the same yellow top, but in this really pretty color. I just figured it would be kind of nice for fall time. Once again, $11, can't beat that. And then I did get the leopard version as well, which was also $11. There's something real weird going on with this shirt with all these beads and stuff coming off, so I'm for sure gonna be taking some of these beads and strings off. It's like, why? Literally, why? Also super random, but I saw this. It's a Halloween palette from Wet n Wild. It's obviously new and limited edition, and it is in the color Coffin Break, which I thought was so funny. Get it? Like coffee break, but coffin break because it's Halloween. You're welcome. I am always there to state and explain the obvious. So I'm super excited. There is definitely a good mixture of like metallics and shimmers and matte colors. So I'm really excited. But yeah, I thought that was really pretty, so I picked that up. And that was $4.68, so not bad. I want you guys to keep in mind that all of the prices I put up on screen were the prices that were on the tag, but they're probably all a cheaper price because every single item that I decided to buy was a lower price. So the prices might not be accurate. For that, I apologize, but it's definitely worth going to check out. So I want to know from you guys, what was your favorite item that I tried on for this Walmart trip? I would love to know your opinions, because sometimes I just think things are so adorable or so hideous, and in reality, it's not the case. Thank you guys again for tuning in to this Inside the Dressing Room. I have a bunch of your guys' suggestions for different Inside the Dressing Room videos in my phone, in the notes section. So one by one, I'm going to knock them out. If you guys have any other suggestions for other places, leave them in the comment section below. Do not forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.